Let me tell you guys, this is day 4. Look at day 4. It looks like day 1. That is definition right there. Still now, 9 years later. How is that possible? I don't know. What's up, world? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. If you guys have first time clicked on my video, welcome. If you guys want to join the Taylor Gang family. It's free, it's fun, why not? If you guys aren't certain if you should join yet, go ahead, watch through the video, make sure it's something that interests you or helped you, and then consider subscribing. I'm on the road to 100k this year. I know I'm only at 2,000, but it's okay, it happens, it works out, miracles happen all the time. Okay, today I'm going to give you guys just 4 simple tips in order to make sure and define your hair. And as you guys can tell, I think I have mastered it just a little bit. What do you guys think? What is that in my hair? Alright, so the 4 simple things that you guys need to know in order to make sure your hair is popping is this. Tip number 1. My hair is low porosity. I need to wash my hair every time I style my hair. Whether it's doing a leave-in conditioner alone, whether it's using a thick cream, whether it's using gel, every single week I make sure I wash my hair before starting a new week in order to start a new hairstyle. And I'm pretty sure it goes for even high porosity hair or mixed porosity hair, or just if you don't even know in general. I do believe that you guys need to clean your hair in order to start a new hairstyle. A lot of the times products do clash with each other, meaning that the consistencies, it just don't work with each other. So you're gonna get a lot of flaking, a lot of buildup, a lot of just dryness and hardness to your hair, and some extra crunch that you just don't need at all. So my first tip, simple, quick, easy, wash your hair. Tip number 2. Okay, my second tip, throughout the journey of my natural hair process, I have learned shingling lasts longer, it defines my hair really well, and my curls always come out bomb. I before didn't do the shingling method, and if you guys don't know what the shingling method is, let me know in the comments below and I'll make out a video for that. It's basically you going through your hair strand by strand. It's kind of like finger coiling but a little bit longer, whereas you just use the strands of hair with the gel and just go through it strand by strand, separating each hair so your hair looks fuller, super defined, and the curls just last longer. The shingling method though takes a very long period compared to my regular wash and goes that I used to do prior. I literally used to just comb my hair through my curls, and the curls were clumpy and nice, and then I separate after. If you guys want to style your hair in different styles, as you guys can see, some is up, some is down with my hair, it is very easy to do, because when you do shingling, you separate strand by strand, so that way if you want to pull it up into a high one, you can. If you want to just leave it out, you can. If you want to put it in 2, you can. And you still get the same amount of definition if you just leave it out or leave it however you want to style it. So it is a much longer process to do, but with that longer process, your curls last longer, so you can style your hair however you want to when doing the wash and go. So you won't get too bored just leaving it out or put it in a high powerful pineapple style, because you could mix and do whatever you want with your hair when you use the shingling method. Tip number 3. You can use any leave-in conditioner that you guys love to use, but just make sure it is a lightweight leave-in conditioner. Or you can use a very moisturizing detangler. I love the Sheer Moisture detangler. That thing detangles my hair, moisturizes my hair, and leave a whole bunch of shine. I've never used one product that did those 3 in one. So definitely check out the Sheer Moisture product if you guys like something lightweight and can do 3 things in one. Definitely try them out. But I use that, and then I go in with my gel. So once I moisturize my hair, I add the gel to it. Sometimes I use the lock method, where I use the leave-in, the oil, and then the gel instead of a cream. So it depends on how it works with your hair and what you like better. Use the Garnier Sleek and Shine anti-frizz serum. It's like an oil and like a moisturizer in one. I use it for shine, for definition, for the scent, and just for my hair to not frizz, because my hair tends to frizz very often, especially in this Florida weather. My hair frizz extremely easy. So if I can find something that smells good and is anti-frizz and gives it a nice little shine, I definitely do recommend that product. You can find it at Walmart, CVS. It's a cheap price. Really rub it on my hand and just like skim it through my hair, so it makes it much easier to. Once you find a method that works with your hair, definitely use it, and be careful on what products you're using to mix with the gel, because some gels clash with creams, and anything that is too thick, it gives it a white consistency, which will leave a lot of flaking and build up in your hair. Just something that you just don't want. So definitely use a lightweight detangler or a very lightweight leave-in conditioner, and you guys, you know, are good to go. So my last and final step, you guys make sure you cleanse your hair. You guys make sure you use the Shingling method. You guys make sure you use great products that's not going to clash with each other. Last but not least, your sleeping methods. For years upon years, I use a pineapple style to sleep with to protect my hair, but I found that just don't work for my hair. Reason being is because my hair is very light in the back, and if I do stretch my hair up like this, my curls in the back tends to disappear, just be undefined, flat and straighten, and it gives it a short time span to last. It's the same thing if you pull your hair back in one. If you pull your hair back in one, like you guys see here, I'm like pulling my hair, it straightens that curl pattern there, so your hair tends to get straightened and the curls are just like, it's not as super defined as the rest of your hair. So my tip for you guys is to sleep with 4 head ties in your hair. You place one right here, you place one right here, you place one to the top, and you place one to the side. You just wrap it around literally once over your hair, because you don't want to wrap it too tight because it will leave a mark on your hair. You just want to simply just put one here, one here, one here, one here, and just put a cap over your hair just to protect it. So when you sleep at night, maybe the curls might scrunch up like this, but you just use your oil on your hands and just like fluff it out throughout the day, well, in the morning, so that way your hair becomes bouncier, fuller, and it just looks, you know, all together, all wrong, good. So I mean, that is the quick, easy, simple steps I have for you guys. See, it's understandable, it's simple. Some people just go too much in depth and you just don't understand what in heaven's name they're saying. So you guys are going to eventually live, learn, and love your natural hair. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs on up. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my other video.